Hey everybody, I'm Corey, and I'm going to be teaching you how to do all these following effects in After Effects CS3. Now, my name, as I said before, is Corey. Let's just get that out of the way so I can do some more presentations so you can see. I have a nice little YouTube channel, and I really personally love this YouTube channel a lot. I'm still working on the look, but let's get rid of it for now. Now I can also teach you how to change shirts. Watch. And now we're back to our original shirt. Now everything you just saw there, I'm going to be teaching you how to do. Oh yeah, and one more thing. Lights out. Hey guys, Missile Studio here, and I'm going to be teaching you how to do the little text part you saw in that previous video. And here's how you do it. So first you want to import your footage. So go to File, Import, File, and choose your footage. And take your footage, drag it to the little icon right here, which will create a new composition. Now, I want to just create my text. So first I scroll to where I want my text to appear. So right when I touch there. Now I go to Layer, New, Text, and I will type in my name because that's what happened in the video. And in order to actually control and format this text, you want to go into this workspace over here and go to the text, which will rearrange it so your whole kind of arrangement around the footage, so you can actually rearrange the text and make it look cool and awesome. So, you can also change the color here and stuff like that. So then click your mouse tool and drag it to the middle of where your finger's touching. Let me make that a little bit bigger. And take the left side of this little red bar and drag it to the red timeline indicator. So right when I touch, it appears. Although it's a little bit late, so let me just retime that. So it's gonna render, bam. So it comes up right when I touch the screen. But what I actually want to have it do now is animate it, so if you can see my hand, it kind of swipes it off the screen. And the only way to do that is to add keyframes. So make sure your text layer is selected. Press P, hold down the Shift key, and then press T and S. Now you want to check the little stopwatches next to all of them, which will create keyframes. Now move ahead in your timeline to right when your hand is right before the text, right about there. Actually move it forward one more frame. There we go. So right about there, and simply move your text just by dragging it along with your footage. And my hand is kind of curving up, so I'm going to curve the text up a tiny bit. And that's it. But it looks a little weird because then it would kind of stay there and kind of, instead of stopping abruptly, we want it to kind of fade out. So change the opacity and make sure your timeline is right over that keyframe. Change the opacity to 0. And there you go. So it touches, And the problem is that it actually kind of moves before you actually start to swipe. So go to where your hand actually starts to swipe. Highlight your first keyframes and drag them right over your timeline indicator. So now it should swipe on the correct time. So there you go. And then you can just kind of play around with it, make it really perfect, and move it to exactly where you want it. But that's really all there is to it. It's a very simple little process, and that's all you need to know in order to make your little text actually appear and work. So thanks for watching this little mini tutorial. Go ahead and every now and then check by in Missile Studios and you will find new tutorials and new videos to check out. So I'll see you later and goodbye. YouTube channel. And I really personally love this YouTube channel a lot. I'm still working on the look, but let's get rid of it for now.